Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick review and install video of my smart doorknob that I just got. So I'm going to go ahead and install it here and see how it looks and see how it works. So here it goes. Alright guys, so as you can see, I started from scratch when I did install this doorbell. Just follow the instructions that comes with it. There's some parts that I was kind of trying to skip over, but the installation is actually easy. Like I said, just follow them step by step, and this is what you get right at the end. All right, guys, and once you have it set up, in order to set up your fingerprint, which I already have, is you just need to put the provided tool right in this little hole, and it just tells you what to do. Push it, and then you would push this button here. So as you can see, it is locked, but now it works again. And then you just wait a couple seconds, and there it goes. Now it's locked again, so it'll automatically lock, and then it's ready to go. So if you're looking for a smart doorknob, this is one that I'd recommend. Definitely a 10 out of 10.